In this video, you will learn how you can upload your Zoom meeting recordings on your own YouTube channel automatically. So guys, if you are regularly conducting important meetings or educational sessions on Zoom and you want to share those sessions on your YouTube channel, this automation is for you. And here after getting your meetings recorded, you do not have to manually upload the video on YouTube. It will happen automatically and it will save your time and your efforts. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. Let's start. So we are using Pabbly Connect to set up this automation. So Pabbly Connect is an automation tool and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. I have pasted the same link in the description. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks to set up and test your automations every month. Okay. So you can sign up right now and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and from here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up this automation workflow, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Zoom meeting recordings on YouTube. Okay. So after filling the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two modules, you can set up any automation, and our automations are based on the logic that when this happens, that means when something is going to happen in the trigger application, action will make Pabbly Connect perform any action in a different application. So here in the trigger, we are going to connect our trigger application, and in this action, we are going to connect our action application. So in this use case, guys, recording of the meetings will act as the trigger, okay? And the action would be to upload the same meetings on YouTube. So here, Zoom will be our trigger application. So search for Zoom here, okay? And select the Zoom. Then the trigger event would be configure webhooks option. So it will trigger this workflow on several events like when meeting starts or ends or any attendee joins and many others. So select this option and it will give you this webhook URL, and with the help of this we are going to make a connection with Zoom application, and to create that webhook connection you need to refer this documentation attached here in this link. So you can click on it and you will reach this page, and here you can learn how you can create an app in Zoom app marketplace and how you can make a connection. You can read it and follow the instructions. I'm going to show you directly what you have to do. So this is my Zoom applications dashboard. Okay. And here when you scroll down on the left hand side panel, you will find the admin section. Under admin, you have to click on advanced. Under advanced, you will find this app marketplace. Click on app marketplace. And under this page, guys, you will find this develop option right here. From here, from this develop option, click on build app. And here you have to build a webhook only application. So here you will find this webhook only option. From here, click on this create button. Here you can give a name to this app. So I am giving the name as Zoom recordings. After giving the name, just click on create button. And here you can see the Zoom recordings app page is here. Here you have to provide the basic information of the application. Here you have to provide the company's name, the developer's name, developer's email address, okay, right. And after this, just click on continue and you will reach the feature section. Here you have to click, you have to toggle this event subscriptions button to on like this. And here you have to click on this add event subscription button. And here it is asking for the subscription's name and the endpoint URL. So here you can give any name to this subscription that we are creating. So I am giving the name as testing recordings. You can give any name. Here in this event and notification endpoint URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you got here in your workflow. So just click on copy from here and paste this URL here in this field like this. Okay, right. And after that, click on this add events button, and under this events type you will find this recording app option. Click on recording, and from these events you have to check this box. Okay, all recordings have completed. Check this box, or you can check this box as well, recording stopped, whatever you want. I am selecting this and this also. After that, click on done here, then click on save. All right, then click on continue, and you can see your application Zoom recordings is activated on the Zoom account, right? So we are done making the connection, and here you can see as we have copied this webhook URL here, it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. So for performing a test submission, you need to manually create a meeting, and you have to start the meeting and stop the meeting. You just have to do this. Okay, so for a minor period of time you can start any meeting and stop it, and the recording will be saved in the cloud storage of Zoom, and the response of that meeting will be captured here in our workflow. Okay, so that data will act as a test data for us to move forward in this automation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going back to my Zoom application, and here you can see these are my previous meetings, so you can use the previous meeting links as well. So I'm using this one only. I have created this today, and I'm clicking on start here. Let me start in this old meeting of mine. So I'm clicking on launch meet, and here you can see we are connecting to the cloud server. Got it. And here you can see the recording and the meeting has been started here. Okay, so you can just do anything here for a few seconds or a minute. You can draw anything here like this, whatever you want. All right, so now you can see here in the workflow it's still waiting for the response here. Now let me go back to the meeting. Where is my meeting? Okay, here it is. And now let me click on stop recording first. Yes. And now let me end this meeting. So I'm clicking on end and meeting for all. Right. So this is just a manual testing process. And as you stop the meeting and record the meeting, the data of this meeting will be captured in the workflow, and also we'll get the test data and the response. Let's see. And here you can see, guys, we got the response captured here like this, and here you can see it started showing the topic of the meeting. That was this, my meeting test. This was our meeting's name. You can see my meeting test. Okay, that we have started, and here is the time zone of the meeting. This is the start time. Status is completed, and here you can see the recordings play URL. Okay, from this URL you can play the recording. Okay, and the file type is MP4. Here we have the download URL of the meeting. So with the help of these links, we can play the URL, play the meeting, or download the meeting. Okay, so this is how you can capture the response. Now guys, I want to share this on my YouTube channel, and for this we are going to use the sections tab. But so here you have to search for YouTube, and the action event would be upload video. Okay, but before using upload video action event, we need to have the ID of the video category. Okay, so for getting the we have different categories of videos on YouTube, so you must have a YouTube video ID, category ID of the video, so that when we upload the video we can enter the ID. Okay, for that we have this. Let me show you this option. Here you can see we have this list video categories option. So it will retrieve the list of video categories based on the region. So you have to select this option, then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with YouTube. And from here, you have to connect the account by which you have the Google account by which you have created your channel. Okay, then you have to provide some additional access to your account. Just click on continue. That is completely safe. And you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected. And according to your region, then where you live in, you have to provide the country code here. And according to that region, the categories of the videos will be listed here in the response. So I am living in India, so I'm putting the my region's code as IN. You can search for your region by clicking on this ISO Alpha 2 text here. Okay, and now click on save and send test request button, and here you can see guys, we got this kind of response, and here we have these labels, item ID labels, and here you can see the categories, film and animation categories here, and the ID of this thing is this one. Okay, for the second category we have this ID 2, autos and vehicles. Similarly, for the music category we have the item ID number 10. For pets and animals we have 15 number ID, sports 17 number. So from here you can sort out your video category and your ID number. So right now we are working on educational content and we are providing education on Zoom. So for that the ID number is 27. I'm going to use this. Right, now it is time to upload the video on YouTube. For that, just click here on this plus icon and here search for YouTube again. Alright, and now the action event would be upload a video. So here we have upload video option. Then click on connect. And from here select add new connection. Now guys, you can use the existing or the saved connection that you have. So we have already connected with YouTube in the previous step. So the connection that we make here in this workflows are saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again with the same application, you can use your saved connections. For that, you just have to select this existing connection option, and here it will show you the list of all the existing connections that you have. From here you can choose any of your saved connection. After that, you just have to click on save and you will be connected again with the same application like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the channel ID. So the name of my channel is demo channel. Okay, this is my channel. So the channel ID is selected. Now it is asking for the video title. So guys, now we are going to use the data that we have received from Zoom here. Okay, so from here I'm going to map the labels here in this step to fill in all these details. Okay, so the title of my video, you just have to click here and the previous steps will appear here like this in the drop down. So from this first or the trigger step, when you click here, you will see the topic of the meeting. So I'm going to use this topic as the video title. So click on it to map it. Alright, and now it is asking for the video description. So if you want to write the description on your own, you can write it manually as well. So I'm putting the description as this is the recording of now here I'm going to map the topic of the meeting. After that I'm going to put meeting which was held today on Zoom. Okay, this is the description, right? Here it is asking for the video URL. So video URL should be publicly accessible video file URL, and the example is this. So just click here and from this first step map the shareable link of the not the shareable link but the download link of the Zoom meeting recording. So here is the download URL, just map it like this. You can provide a tags as well. Now in the categories, put 27 for educational category. You can select the visibility status. I'm making it as, let's say, private only or unlisted. Okay, whatever you want. You can, if you want to notify the subscribers, you can do it from here only. Okay, and you can select the following options as well. Now you can check your connection with YouTube channel by clicking on save and send test request button, and the video will be uploaded here like this. Okay, let me show you that. I'm clicking on save and send test request. So it might take a few seconds to happen and you will see the video on your YouTube channel. So you can see we are done here. This is the response we have received. Let's check in YouTube channel. We got the new video. Let me refresh my channel content section. And here you can see guys, a new video is processing here and it got processed, and you can see the visibility here as unlisted. Okay, and the title was this, my meeting test, and you can see the description. This is the recording of my meeting which was held today on Zoom. This is the same thing. This is the same video that we got recorded. You can see. This is the same video that we have recorded, right, on our Zoom meeting, and the same got captured, the same got uploaded here as we have mapped the data here. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up our automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, whenever you are going to record your Zoom meeting and ends the meeting, the video of that meeting will be uploaded on your YouTube channel automatically, and this workflow is going to run in the background. And guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it because I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.